everybody, West Coast Swing Amsterdam. This is Gordon.
Jennifer.
And today we have again something interesting, because even though you might think that this is just pure basics, it's very difficult to get out of character and play a different role than my partner. What do I mean with this? We are raised with this, we have been developing the step, step, triple step, triple step, but in the end it doesn't really matter what steps we are doing. We just have to make sure that we're just giving out a 6 count or an 8 count pattern and not disrupt the connection, which makes sure that the follower has no clue what you're trying to do. So this is an example, and I really hope that you can try this at home. If I'm going to do a normal step, step, triple step, it looks like this. 1, 2, we have a compression here, and we just give out an anchor. What I can do now is still giving this the same normal 1 and 2, still try to give my follower a normal sugar push intention, but my feet are only going to do the steps. We're not going to do the triples, we're going to do only doubles. So now it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as you can see, maybe you only were looking at my feet, so now you have to rewind the tape back. But this was still giving the follower enough information. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So as the follower, I'm still doing the basic sugar push, step, step, triple, triple, but I'm not going to be distracted by what's happening on his feet, because his job has been to maintain this connection. So my job is also to make sure that I'm maintaining this connection as well. So I'm relying on the communication that's coming from this handhold and from his overall impression from his body, instead of just what his feet are doing. Okay,
so let's change it now. I mean, I'm just that beginner who knows only the 6 count pattern, building up from step, step, triple step, triple step. Now Jennifer all of a sudden decides to do something entirely different. Now let's see how that looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So I knew something was happening, but since I didn't get distracted by her connection with me, I was just able just to keep the conversation going. Okay? This is for the more advanced people. Let's do an underarm turn. Okay? So you do the normal, and I will just do the steps. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, nothing changes. Even from the outside, nobody can see it. Only we know the secret. Like something happened there. Okay. So I really hope that you are able just to walk through this yourself, or of course with a partner. If you can add a little bit more, for example, through an 8 count pattern, by all means, because in the end it's all about a connection.
So it's a good way to practice is be able to do all your basic left side pass, underarm, sugar push with only the steps, or you can do it with the regular step, step, triple, triple. And that would be a good way to practice if you don't have a partner at home.
Perfect. Okay, so that was it. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and to subscribe to our channel for more West Coast Swing tutorial videos. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.